We're going to demonstrate how to clean the source, and in order to do that, you need to vent the instrument. And it's done over here. If you press the down arrow, you'll see there's clean and vent. If you hold the shift key down and press it, you'll be able to access at least this clean item. So I'm going to press it now. There's a latch that has to be unlatched, and then when it's at atmosphere, the door will pop open by itself. The door will be open at 750 torr.
Yes.
Yeah. And inside, all the connections are quick disconnect and they are color coded. So the source that needs to be cleaned is at the bottom of the ion optics. So first we're going to disconnect all the wires. That's the first deflector. Put that aside. And there's 3 connections on the source itself. The source is held down by magnets, so you'll have to lift it up. A little bit lower. And you can see that it gets a little bit dirty. Sample will accumulate on the bottom, and it will need to be cleaned. That's good.
Ready?
We clean the source in 99% isopropanol in a sonicator for 5 minutes. After it's done sonicating, we'll blow it off, blow it dry. And it looks clean now. You should always handle the source with gloves. Now we're going to put it back in the instrument. On the bottom of the source, you'll see there's a hole, and that will go over a pin that's in the housing in the back. When you place the source in, you have to make sure that it's seated all the way down. And you can feel that it's tight. So we're going to reconnect the connections to the source. The deflector slides in. The slot, you'll see, it will be in front. And it must be pushed all the way in. There are 5 connections to be made, 2 on the deflector and 3 on the source. You can close the door. We're checking the O-ring seal to make sure the O-ring is in place. Close the latch. Panel's a little bit tight. Now in the software, when you're in the vented clean state, click the load button to resume vacuum. We're going to look at the detail view. So I now install the rough fix the that works.